Alluri Sitarama Raju. Alluri Sitarama Raju's Rempa rebellion in Andhra Pradesh and Birsa Munda's Ulgulam in Jharkhand symbolized tribal resistance against British oppression. Both leaders mobilized their communities to protect tribal rights, using guerrilla tactics and invoking indigenous traditions, leaving a lasting legacy of courage and defiance. Born on July 4, 1897 in Visakhapatnam, Raju was inspired by patriotic discourse from an early age. After his father's death, Raju embarked on a pilgrimage, traveling through India's tribal areas under British rule. Raju met revolutionaries in Chittagong and decided to build a movement against the British. Raju made the Eastern Ghats his base, working to help Adivasis who were oppressed by British officials. He organized them to fight against the oppressive Madras Forest Act of 1882, claiming their right to the forest produce. Raju's initial success gave the people hope, and he confidently declared that he could overthrow the British in 2 years. He built a strong army of over 300 revolutionaries, using traditional weapons and guerrilla tactics. Raju launched successful attacks on British police stations, including in Chintapalli, Krishna Devi Peta, and Raja Ummangi. The British, led by Agent Commissioner J.R. Higgins, responded with force. But Raju and his followers remained defiant. Raju's attacks were marked by signature letters, where he detailed his raids. The British deployed large forces, including the Malabar Special Police and Assam Rifles, to suppress the uprising. Officers like Sanders and Forbes were often left on the defensive, as Raju dared them to stop his attacks. In April 1924, the British sent T.G. Rutherford to quell the uprising, resulting in violence and torture. After a relentless pursuit, Raju was captured and martyred on May 7, 1924. Raju's remains are buried at Krishna Devi Peta in Visakhapatnam, where tributes continue to be paid. In 2024, as his 100th death anniversary approaches, Raju's legacy continues to inspire the Indian freedom struggle. Raju's courage and leadership have left an indelible mark on the history of India's fight for freedom. Alluri Sitarama Raju's Rempa rebellion from 1922 to 1924 played a pivotal role in India's freedom struggle by mobilizing tribal communities in Andhra Pradesh against British policies like the Forest Act. His use of guerrilla tactics and defiance of colonial exploitation inspired armed resistance across India. Though primarily a regional movement, it aligned with national efforts like Gandhi's non-cooperation movement, showcasing the significance of grassroots uprisings in the broader fight for independence. Raju's martyrdom made him a symbol of courage, leaving a lasting legacy of sacrifice and resistance.